Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this vegetable pancake that will leave you asking for more. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so in a separate bowl, I'll go ahead and crack in 2 eggs, and to be on the safe side, I decided to use a separate bowl. Break in the egg, I'll whisk this and I'm going to set that aside. Moving on, in another bowl, I'll add in my all-purpose flour and I'm going to sieve this to avoid any unwanted particles. Next, I'll add in my salt. I'll go ahead to add in turmeric powder and my chili flakes. So I'm going to mix everything together to combine beautifully. Next, I'll go ahead to add in my whisked egg. Okay, so I'll add in my milk. So this milk is a powder milk I mix with water. And if you don't have milk, you can go ahead to use water all through. Okay, it will still come out good. So I'm gonna whisk everything together to combine properly. Thank you beautiful people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, and if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected and keep watching. Next, I'll add in my baking powder and I'm gonna whisk everything together. See, you definitely come back for this pancake and it's so healthy too. So next, I'll add in my red bell pepper, green bell pepper and onion. You can use any vegetable of choice. Okay, I'm gonna mix everything together to combine properly. Next, we'll go over to frying. Next, I'll heat up a non-stick pan with oil or butter over medium heat. Okay, so I'll drop a spoonful of the mixture onto the pan and you can decide to flatten it slightly. Cook until you see bubble appear on top of the mixture and the edges start to dry. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium to low heat, and after that you flip over and cook the other side until it is golden brown. So I'll go ahead to repeat it again until I am done with my batter, and you definitely love this. I love you to try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video. Serve hot with your favorite sauce or topping. So this is my final look. This is how it's looking, so colorful and yummy. You would definitely love this. Try it and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.